Next question is, Doc, yung anong mangyayari if umabot ng 6 months po yung antibiotic spacer? Again, if it reaches 6 months, hopefully mawawala yung infection. If they also did what we call a debridement sa hips po, meaning nilinis talaga yung infection, the spacer no longer has any antibiotic after 6 months, but it keeps the space. So, ano yung space na nagkikip? If wala kasing hip replacement, ang mangyayari is magkakaroon ng dead space. So, yung space ng dalawang bones is didikit po. And mahirapan yung surgeon na ibalik yung hip replacement. So, pag wala na yung hip, before ipasok sa socket, ganon, yung temporary spacer ang magiging mag-keep ng space na to para hindi didikit yung dalawang buto. So, at 6 months, the spacer has no more antibiotic, but it is still a spacer para hindi didikit po yung buto. Yun po yung pinaka-simple na explanation po natin.